Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you in awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. Listening to you harp on about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love, and please just let me say that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start? What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed, staring into the blue. Unrequited, terrifying love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I love you from the start? Confess I loved you, just thinking of you. I know I loved you from the start.
Is the volume doing okay?
The volume is.
Yeah, it's fine.
Volume's doing okay.
Everyone fine? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, cool. So that was From the Start by Levy. Thank you so much for coming to the second Sound Library performance. This next one is Valentine, also by Levy.
Does any one of you have a Valentine? Wanna raise their hand? Anyone? Anyone brave? Oh, nice. That is the best. Oh, that's the best one. Honestly,
Self-love is the best love.
self-love is the best love. All right,
Yeah.
let's begin. Yeah.
Okay.
I've rejected perfection for years and years. Now I have it, and damn it, it's kind of weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprise myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help. Cause I think I've fallen in love this time. I blinked and suddenly I had a Valentine. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-ba-ba-ba, ba-ba, what if he's the last one I kiss? What if he's the only one I'll ever miss? Maybe I should run, I'm only 21. I don't even know who I wanna become. I've lost lost all control of my heartbeat now. Got caught in a romance with him somehow. I still feel a shock through every bone when I hear and I love you. Cause now I've got someone to lose. The first one to ever like me back. I'm seconds away from a heart attack. How the hell did I fall in love this time? And honestly, I can't believe I get to call you mine. I blinked and suddenly I had a Valentine.
This was very short notice, so please excuse the bumpiness at the very end, but I'm hoping you guys are still enjoying. Yeah, so this next one.
Is a very famous song,
Very
and
famous song.
if we would also might want to include some dancers if
Abby,
you
where
guys
you
want
at?
to.
I
Where's
think
Abby?
it
Where's
might be a
Abby?
little difficult with the logistics of the camera, but I think
Probably would like Arjo, but that is fine if he doesn't want to.
yeah.
But Andre and he
So this
left.
one?
Okay, this one is a very famous song. Can anyone guess what it is?
It's very Valentine's as well.
It's very Valentine.
You got it. It's Cupid. So okay.
Okay,
So-
okay, so if everyone's ready.
Yep.
No, now.
Let's go.
All right.
Alright.
You can sing along.
1, 2, 3.
A hopeless romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. Why? I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I find a lover that can hold me. Now I'm crying in my room, so skeptical of love. But still I wanted more. I give a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm left here feeling stupid. Oh, the way he makes me feel, the love isn't real. Cupid is so dumb. I look for his arrows every day. I guess he got lost or flew away. Waiting around is a waste. They're counting the days since November. It's loving as good as they say. Oh, I'm so lonely. Oh, I wish I find a lover that can hold me. Now I'm crying in my room, so skeptical of love. But still I wanted more. I gave a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm left here feeling stupid. Oh, the way he makes me feel, the love isn't real. Cupid is so dumb. Cupid is so dumb. Hopeless girl is seeking someone who will share this feeling. I'm a fool for love, a fool for love. I gave a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm left here feeling stupid. Oh, the way he makes me feel, the love isn't real. Cupid is so dumb. This girl is seeking someone who will share this feeling. I'm a fool for love, a fool for love.
Thank you so much, everybody, for coming.
I know that every week we have 3 songs, but we reckon that we would extend the time just a little bit, so
Really, sometimes
we
a
will
little bit.
sing a 4th song. That is it's it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so you will know if you hear the first few beats, I guess. But if you any of you guys like K-pop here? Anyone like K-pop? Raise your hand. K-pop. Don't be shy. Raise your hand. Come. Yeah. Okay. So no, it's not super shy. So, it's okay. It's not super shy. Sorry. Hey, you should have danced. Where were you? Okay, fine. But anyway, maybe some of you BTS fans might know the song. So yeah. I love BTS. It's a solo song, but I will sing it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 나서 자는 그때의 여등한 목소리 나 이름 한 번만 더 불러주세요 알아버린 나를 못사지만 그대 향해 끝없이 걸어갈래요 Still with you 어두운 밤 조명 하나 없이 익숙해지면 놔두는데 그거 it's okay 마지막에 들리는 이 의건 소리 울고 나도 없으면 아주 맘 무너진 것 같아 함께 울고 이 단순한 감정들은 내게 주변한 날봐 언제쯤일까 다시 그때 마주 앉다면 너를 보고만 할래요 보고 싶었어요 광을 휘다 기억 속에 날 어두침을처럼 이겨내리잖아 이한 거기 곁을 닿지 젖은 말로 달려갈게 기대 안아줘 다리 얼어보였어 밤한 너는 나를 향해 울고있는 같았어 언젠가 아침이 오는 걸 알면서 다 물처럼 너 하늘에 머물고 싶어서 하루를 가슴 갈라 이렇게 걸고 하나 때면 더 좋아졌을 텐데 언제쯤일까 다시 그때 마주 앉다면 너를 보고만 할래요 보고 싶었어요 광을 휘다 기억 속에 날 어두침을처럼 이겨내리잖아 이한 거기 곁을 닿지 젖은 말로 달려갈게 지금 나를 잡아줘 편해 아름다워라 이젠 그래 바라요 서로와 그림만 아마줄 수 있지만 그대와 함께 이끌려 걷고 싶어요 Still with you
So much, everybody. That's it for today's Sound Library. In 2 weeks, we'll be here again with all new performances.